Imagine this scenario. You leave your house to grab a coffee. You didn't tell anyone where you were going. You didn't post it on social media. But by the time you order your latte, 40 different companies know exactly where you are, how fast you walked there, and that you stopped at a pharmacy on the way. They are auctioning that data off in milliseconds to the highest bidder before you've even taken your first sip. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now inside your pocket. Your smartphone is the most sophisticated surveillance device ever created, and you voluntarily carry it everywhere. We are entering an era where privacy is no longer the default. It is a setting you have to fight for. But technology cannot replicate human intuition if you are paying attention. You are the firewall. Welcome to SecureCyberMart, your trusted cybersecurity news source. Today, the game has changed. We aren't just talking about hackers breaking in, we are talking about the doors you left wide open in your settings menu. Most people think their phone works for them. In reality, unless you change these specific settings, it works for advertisers, data brokers, and tech giants. To defeat the enemy, you have to understand the weapon. Today, I am going to walk you through the essential privacy and security settings for both iPhone and Android that you need to change immediately. If you care about your digital safety, hit that subscribe button right now. You're going to want to stay updated on this. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the biggest leak in your digital life: location services. Apps rely on convenience to make you skip logic. They ask for always-on location access when they only need it once. Think about that. Does a flashlight app need to know you are at a medical clinic? Does a calculator need your GPS coordinates? Absolutely not. Here is your detection checklist for location settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. You will see a list of apps. If you see Always next to an app that isn't a navigation map or a safety tracker, change it immediately. Set it to While Using or Never. Also, look for the Precise Location toggle. Most apps just need to know you are in Chicago, not that you are in the bedroom of your apartment on the 3rd floor. Turn Precise Location off for everything except Maps and rideshare apps. For Android users, go to Settings, Location, App Permissions. You will see categories: allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, and not allowed. Move as many apps as possible out of the allowed all the time section. This isn't just about privacy, it's about performance. Constant GPS pinging is a massive battery drain. By restricting this, you are closing a security loophole and extending your device's life. Now, let's talk about the invisible auction. Have you ever talked about a product and then seen an ad for it 5 minutes later? People think their phone is listening to their conversations. It's actually much simpler and much more effective. It is social engineering at its finest via cross-app tracking. Your phone assigns you a unique ID, like a digital serial number, that tracks your behavior across every app you use. It builds a profile of you that is terrifyingly accurate. Here is how you protect yourself and your business from this data harvesting. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Tracking. You will see Allow Apps to Request to Track. Turn this off completely. When you do this, the IDFA, identifier for advertisers, sends a string of zeros instead of your unique ID. You become a ghost to their systems. On Android, the path is slightly different, but just as critical. Go to Settings, Privacy, Ads. You want to tap Delete Advertising ID. If you don't delete it, at the very least, tap Reset Advertising ID regularly. This breaks the link between your past data and your current profile. Think about the implications here. If a data broker gets hacked, and they do frequently, your entire behavioral profile is exposed. By cutting off the tracking ID, you minimize the blast radius of a potential breach. Third, analytics and diagnostics. This sounds boring, and that is by design. Tech companies label these settings as "help improve iPhone" or "usage and diagnostics" to make you feel like a volunteer. In reality, you are paying for the data plan. You paid for the device, and yet you are using your battery and your bandwidth to send them free report logs. This is low-tech, but 100% hack-proof. Stop sending them data they didn't pay for. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Analytics and Improvements. Toggle everything off. Share iPhone analytics, share iCloud analytics, turn it all off. On Android, look under Settings, Privacy, Usage and Diagnostics. Switch it to Off. Why does this matter? Because every packet of data leaving your phone is a potential breadcrumb. These logs can contain information about which apps crash, how often you use them, and your device status. It creates digital artifacting that you don't need to leave behind. Plus, these background processes are constantly waking up your processor. Turn them off, and your phone sleeps when you sleep. Finally, strategy 4, the eavesdroppers. We talked about location, but what about your eyes and ears? There are apps on your phone right now that have permission to access your microphone and camera, even if they have no logical reason to use them. Go to Settings, Privacy, Microphone. Scan this list. Does a flashlight app need your microphone? Does a simple game need your camera? If you see an app that doesn't fit, revoke the access. Do not engage with the convenience of just in case. If an app truly needs access later, it will ask you again. For Android 12 and later, and iOS 14 and later, you have a visual indicator, a green or orange dot when these sensors are in use. Watch that dot. If you are reading an article and that green light turns on, close the app and delete it. That is a breach. We live in a world where convenience is often the enemy of security. These companies count on you being too lazy or too confused to change these defaults, but now you know where to look. Knowing how to spot these settings is good, but having protocols to keep them locked down is better. Take 10 minutes today, go through your phone, lock down your location, kill the ad trackers, and stop the analytics drain. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It helps us spread this safety message to more people who need it. And don't forget to subscribe to SecureCyberMart. We post weekly updates on cybersecurity news, tech news, and how to stay safe online. Thank you for watching. Stay skeptical, stay secure.